Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Stripe Connect for platforms onboarding, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. Select Connect from the menu on the left. Click on Settings to configure your Connect account. Choose the onboarding method that suits your platform's needs. For a full integration, opt for the Express or Custom account types. Create an application if you haven't done so. Fill in the required details such as application name and website URL. Ensure you set the appropriate permissions for your application. Now, move to the API Keys section. Copy your publishable key and secret key. Open your development environment to begin coding. Install the Stripe library for your chosen programming language. For Node.js, use the command npm install Stripe. Require the Stripe package in your code. Initialize the Stripe object using your secret key. Create an endpoint for onboarding users. Set up a route that handles the account creation process. Make a request to Stripe's API to create a new account. Use the type parameter to specify whether it's express or custom. Capture the redirect URL for onboarding. Send this URL back to the front end. On the client side, redirect users to the provided URL for onboarding. After the onboarding process, Stripe will redirect users back to your application. Set up an endpoint to handle this redirect. Retrieve the account ID from the query parameters. Store this account ID in your database linked to the user. Verify the account status by querying the Stripe API. Ensure that all required information is collected from the platform users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.